Welcome back guys, another tutorial. So we're jumping right into the Need for Speed Underground 2 tutorial. Now you will need this. You'll want to download the Underground net. Alright, make sure that you have the full version of Need for Speed Underground 2 installed. I cannot show you how to do that guys. Just get a copy of the game and patch it to the latest patch. Alright, and then you'll want to download this. Alright, download it. So you will just download this, download all the files here, and then once you have your game installed, the first Speed Underground 2, see, you will just copy all the these files that you download. You will just copy all these files into the game folder. It's very simple guys, not that hard. I don't have to show you all that because this is just a quick tutorial, right? So once you just make sure to have a full copy of the game installed, patch it to the latest patch. Once you patch it guys, download Underground 2 net media file. Alright, just download it. Alright, my internet is kind of slow tonight, I don't know why, but just download it. Alright, once you download it, you will open up the raw file and you'll copy all the files here. Alright, now for online, now you will need this. I will show you. Go to the for Speed Underground 2 PC Gaming Wiki. Alright, scroll down. And if you look here, the official EA server was shut down in November 2007. Use this. This is the new online fix here, right? So click on it. I don't know, yeah, they will take it to here. You will just want to join the server here. Alright, I don't have enough to join the server here, so you'll join the server and you will just download the mod, right? So, and the mod must go inside the script folder. So this is all the scripts from the Need for Speed Underground 2 net. You will need to copy. Once you join the Discord server, you'll copy this file into the scripts folder. Alright, so this is the Underground 2 fix here. Alright, normally I will show you all everything, but I believe this is very simple. You join the Discord server, you download the fix and you put it in the scripts folder, and then after you can start the game from the Speed 2 exe. Alright, so I'm gonna start at the game now, but as you know, the music and the video will be restricted, so I will have to turn on the music and I'll be back in the game, right? Alright, so guys, once you follow that tutorial, follow the steps that I show you all, and remember, if you need help, just join the Discord server and I'll be able to help you guys, right? So once you're in the game, you just go to online. Make sure you create a account. I already created my account, right? And then you have to create a new persona. I already created one, and then just click continue. I don't know, no, let's go back to the lobby, sorry, and you should be able to see players in the lobby, but right now it doesn't have anybody on online. But you wouldn't need admin and you wouldn't need to play on LAN servers again, right? So this is new way to play online. You could create a game, right? You wouldn't need password, and then your friends will be able to join you, right? So guys, this is just a short tutorial, right? It's very simple steps. Have a copy of the game, then download the Need for Speed Underground to net and copy the files to where the game exe is, then join the Discord server and download the online fix that I showed you all, and that is how you are going to play the game Need for Speed Underground 2 online in 2025. So this is the end of the tutorial, guys. Very short and very simple, easy to follow. If you need help, the Discord server will be in the description. So thanks for watching, guys. This is the end of the tutorial for tonight. Take care, and Classic Games United out. See you in the next video to come, and be blessed. Bye.